Are you tired of seeing the message, you don't own this game on your Xbox? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many gamers face this issue, and today we're gonna fix it together. So first, let's make sure that your Xbox account is signed in properly, because sometimes the console gets confused if you're logged into a different account. So simply log out and log back in to the right account to see if that clears things up. Next, you're going to check your game license. If the game was bought on a different account, Xbox might not recognize it on yours. So you're going to head to the settings and then account and check if the game is listed in your purchases, all right? Now, if not, try re-downloading it from the same account where it was purchased, all right? Now, another quick fix is to clear your local save data. Sometimes old files mess with your game's connection. So go to settings and then system and choose storage. Clear out the local cache and then restart your console. You could also try a hard reset. So basically you hold down the power button for 10 seconds until it turns off. You wait and then you turn it back on to see if the problem disappears. Lastly, if none of that works, try contacting Xbox support. They can check your account and help you get your game working again. All right? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.